Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Sony TV. This is the model X95H, or you may find that it also comes in as X9500H. They're just different models so that the retailers don't compete with each other, but in fact it's the same TV, X95H or X9500H. Now this is an Android TV. The one I've got right here is 65 inch, so it's relatively big, but not very big. It's got an X1 processor on the TV. So this is the packaging around here. Let's have a look on the side so you can see what it looks like on the side here. Okay. So I'm just going to cut it. It's quite big, so let's cut it in here. And it's got a remote on the side here. So you can see this remote and other things that's come in the bag. So we'll have a look at it later. There's also a setup guide. And I'm going to replace this with this LG TV. TV is quite old, 10 years. It's still going very good, but unfortunately it's a bit small now and it's a bit outdated, so I'm going to update it with this one. So there's also the leg, this bar here. I'm just going to take it out. It's a belt, so full belt. And then there's another leg. I'm just going to take all this one out first, and then I'm going to lay it down flat, and then I'm going to pull it out because we can't just pull it out that way. I'm going to put it on the table. Now over here in the box there's also a tab that we need to pull out. So it says pull out the tab, but I'm going to lay this one down on the floor first, I think. So here is the tab that we need to see if we can pull it out like that. I think this will just helps allow us to pull out the TV later on. So I'm just going to do that. And then pull out this tab here as well. And then I'm just going to lay down the TV. Okay. So I'm just going to pull out this one. Okay. So once you open the back, I suppose you can just kind of pull it out. So I'm just going to work out how this is going to come out. Okay, so this kind of come off. You can pull it out like that. Just move that out of the way. Just going to try to see what's holding the TV together. Okay, so I think we can just pull out the TV. This is also has a cover on the top. Now another way we can do is we can just simply cut the box open. There's also things over here. I can just rip it open. It's really hard to keep it. I'm just going to rip it open just to be safe, because I don't know what's underneath. Now this is the first time that I open this TV. Okay, at least you can see what it looks like underneath. So that's the box right there, guys. It's got the cover. So it's here front, top. What is it? B and N. So that's the front. So I suppose this is the screen right here. So it's quite big. It's quite hard to work on. It's not easy to take it out. So I'm just gonna put my hand here just to hold the TV. Okay, so this is the base here. We have to work out how to put the legs on. So I'm just gonna put this one back for now, and then I'll work out how to put the legs on. Okay, so there are some parts in here. You can see this is the part that we need to put into the TV for the stand. So there are these parts here. We got the cable. We got the remote control in here. We got the remote control. There are some more bolts. And there are clips probably for the cable tie. And we've got battery. So you got the battery. Okay, and then over here we got the stand. So let's just open up the stand as well. So that's the stand there. And there are some swivels in here as well. So we've got this wheel for the stand. So I'm just going to open up this stand. Alright, so that's the stand there. Okay, so that is everything inside the box. So this is the setup guide right here, guys. The setup guide can be a little bit confusing, but after carefully watching, you can see it will show you here. Now this number here indicate the instruction is for the 75-inch. Over here the instruction is for the 65 and 55-inch TV. So if you purchase a 65-inch TV, you will use this diagram, and if you are purchasing a 75-inch TV, then you are using this diagram over here. So similar to this one here, depending on which size TV you use, then they will show you a different set of instructions. So it's a bit confusing and just pictures. There's no word or explanation at all. I wish there were some kind of explanations of which what to do. They don't tell you. So it'd be nice if they just even tell you, the number is actually for the TV size. But yeah, and that is everything inside the box. You can see in the picture here, it's best if we have the TV standing up. So even though I didn't open it correctly, you can also just simply lift up the TV. Doing so will allow you to install the stand as accordingly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.